No, not my fault. It was the airline's fault. Let me back up. Hi, I'm Divija. I'm a controls engineer, mostly traveling for fun, but sometimes traveling for work. I was in New Jersey for work before flying to California on a work trip, and because of delay by the airlines, I missed my connecting flight in Chicago, and the airlines booked a hotel for me. You know what? Something I've started to realize is sometimes if things don't go your way, or if you miss out on things, it's okay because there's always something good that comes out of it. Just like now, when I missed my flight in Chicago, it was okay because I got to eat Chicago's deep dish pizza after 3 years. Anyway, I woke up early next morning to catch my flight to California. I reached San Jose after a few hours and went to the car rental. I'm an Emerald member there, so I directly walked into the garage and picked a car of my choice. I didn't have many options that day, so I thought I'll choose based on color. I was looking for neon colored cars, but couldn't find anything neon, so I settled for this. I mean, it's still a cool color. I drove for an hour 20 minutes to Lodi, and this is my hotel. Lodi is known for its vineyards and wineries. All the hotels have wine tasting, wooden furnished rooms, maps to all vineyards. Apparently, there are more than 90 wineries and vineyards in Lodi. The first thing I did was I ordered Indian food. I like Indian food in California because for me, the taste of food in California feels closer to home. The next morning, I went to site for work. This is my outfit. I'm a controls engineer and we make conveyor belts. No, not for airports. If you want to know what I do exactly, watch this video. It's a prequel to the current video. I can't show you the conveyor belts we design because I'd like to keep my job. If I'm on a site which is still in the construction phase, these are the toilets. The hand wash is really interesting. There's a push button at the bottom. As you push it, the water comes out. I went to a Punjabi dhaba for lunch that day. I go out to eat sometimes if I have the time. Not I eat on site in the break room like this. Here's me channeling my inner Kardashian. This is what my typical work week looks like with site work and food. You get the gist, right? So I'll jump ahead to the fun part. End of the week, I went to a wine tasting in Lodi to one of those 90 wineries and vineyards. I tasted 5 wines, mix of reds and whites. Do you know why you swirl the wine before you drink it? I learned it last year when I was in Tuscany. Swirling aerates the wine, making the alcohol and the volatile compounds evaporate and carry aroma molecules to your nose. This enhances the sensory experience. Since most of the wine's flavor comes from the aroma rather than the taste, this makes the wine feel more expressive. I was going to my friend's house for that weekend in Bay Area, so I bought this wine for them. We went to Santa Cruz. That was my first time going there. It was really fun. California waters really cold and the Bay Area gets really chilly at night, even in summer. I stayed with my friends for a couple of weekends, and one of those days she invited me to her niece's princess themed birthday party. So we struggled to do our best dressing up as Disney princesses. I was Moana, and my friend here was Belle. My friend had some references for makeup and hair from the internet, and she did a pretty good job with that. And I did what best I could with mine. My hair was the reason I chose this costume. I cleverly fashioned my costume. I borrowed the top from my friend. I already had my skirt. Then I used a pair of trousers, rolled them up, and I used them as a waistband. I was so proud of myself. This was the rest of my weekend. This was the last stop, but definitely not the least thing I did in California. I just realized every place I travel, I always go to the bookstores, and this is the next best thing to Indian food in California for me, the Half Price bookstore. You can literally find $1, $2 books. Bookstores and libraries are my happy place, but they overwhelm me too because I want to buy everything and I don't know what to buy at the same time. This bookstore has several different religious texts. They even have Tulsidas Ramayanam in Sanskrit to English translation, first editions, author signed books, and many more. I have a long list of TBR, but I decided I want to finally enter my Dostoevsky era and soft launch myself by starting with White Nights and some short stories by him, but unfortunately, the store had none that I was looking for. Then I decided to buy Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, Hemingway's Old Man and the Sea, and Bhagavad Gita. My friend gifted me this book.